Have you ever felt like your life is a mess? You are not alone. Genesis 1:2 speaks to those feelings. This verse shows us a crucial moment in creation, just before God begins to work. Let's read the verse. In the King James Version, it states, "And the earth was without form, and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters." This is Genesis chapter 1 verse 2. This verse describes the state of the earth before God intervened. The earth was without form, meaning it lacked shape. It was void, indicating emptiness, not yet filled with life. Darkness rested over the deep waters, hiding everything. However, even in this darkness, it's vital to note, God was there, active and present. This scene isn't only about physical creation, it reveals how God operates. Chaos often precedes order. Emptiness often comes before fulfillment. Light usually follows darkness. The Spirit of God moving over the waters shows us that He is already working behind the scenes. The earth seemed unready, but God was preparing for a significant change. The image of a formless, empty world also mirrors the human heart. Our minds can feel chaotic. Emotions might seem drained, and our futures may appear bleak. Despite this confusion, Genesis 1:2 reassures us of God's presence. He is not waiting for perfection to act. He enters the mess, amid the confusion, to start His work. Today, many feel lost or depressed, feeling without form and void. They may feel adrift, just like those waters. Yet, Genesis 1:2 declares, your emptiness isn't the conclusion. God's Spirit still moves through your chaos. Before clarity appears outside, God often begins bringing order within. This verse matters for our faith, it reveals God's character. He is unafraid of chaos, and untroubled by darkness. Emptiness does not repel Him, He draws near. So, when your life feels unsettled, don't shy away from God. Invite Him into your situation. He's already there, moving before you even notice. Now, let's take this deeper. Identify one area of your life that feels without form. This might be finances, relationships, or mental health. Pray this simple prayer: Holy Spirit, move over this area of my life like you moved over the waters in Genesis 1:2. Bring order, purpose, and light. Remember, the next verse, Genesis 1:3, is when God declares, "Let there be light." To recap, Genesis 1:2 shows the earth as formless, empty, and dark. Yet, God's Spirit was moving over the waters. This illustration teaches us that God is present, even in chaos. When we feel lost, we can trust that He is close and active in our lives. If you find yourself feeling like Genesis 1:2, chaotic and dark, remember that Genesis 1:3 is on its way. God can speak light into your situation. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow for more insights. In the next video, We will dive into Genesis chapter 1 verse 3 and discover how God's words transform darkness into light.